Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to act deliberately now. Power off the phone to prevent short circuits and remove any case and the SIM tray so moisture can escape. Gently blot visible water with a lint-free cloth. Do not shake or use a hairdryer on high heat. Next, seal the device in a bag with silica gel packets or 1/2 cup uncooked rice to draw moisture out. Once done, set the bag in a cool, dry spot and wait at least 24 to 48 hours before proceeding. Once the device is thoroughly dried externally, open it only if you have the right tools and experience. Keep track of screws and small parts. You want to inspect the Face ID module, front sensor array, and flex cable connectors for corrosion or residue. Clean affected metal contacts and ribbon cable ends using 90% or higher isopropyl alcohol and a soft anti-static brush. Work gently to avoid tearing connectors. Make sure everything dries again fully. Reseat and test connectors before reassembly to check for restored function. Reassemble the phone carefully, ensuring all connectors are properly seated and any damaged flex cables are replaced. Small corrosion-damaged parts often require new components. Power the device and, once booted, go to Settings to remove old Face ID profiles and create a fresh Face ID enrollment so the system recalibrates optics and neural data. If Face ID remains disabled, perform a DFU restore as a software step. If the issue persists, consult an author.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.